Speak in such a way that other loves to listen to you, and listen in such a way that other loves to speak to you. With this quotation, I express my heartfelt greetings to all of you present at this morning assembly. This is Sumama Khan here to lead you through today's assembly on behalf of class 9th. Beginning today, I must forget what has passed, appreciate what remains, and look forward to what lies ahead. A new day means a new beginning and new opportunities. So let us welcome the day with open arms. As we all know, no program can be started without remembering the Almighty Creator of the entire universe. So first and foremost, I would like to invite Fahmida Rao to recite some verses of the Holy Quran. A positive and inspiring thoughts can brighten our day. Reading new ideas in the morning act as fuel and keeping us smiling and encouraging throughout the day. So, to stimulate thought, here comes Azra Fatima. General knowledge is the key of success and an important aspect of your daily life. To assess your knowledge, here comes Zarmina for some general knowledge questions. Science have developed a lot from Stone Age to the current modern era. So to make better on this era, here comes Bakhtavar Niazi. We should be aware of the things happening around the world. To keep us up to date, I would like to call Sakina from class 9th for today's news. The world is full of words. To improve our vocabulary, I would like to invite Zoya Banu from class 10th to present the word of the day. Mother and motherland are greater than everything. So to show devotion towards motherland, all of you please be ready in attention position for national anthem. This is the time to wrap up today's morning meeting. Stay healthy and be nice. We promise to return with new ideas, new thinking, and better performance. Thank you and have a pleasant day.